UMP Rajya Sabha Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi iathuh bonsara daga 0R notice Dorbar Rajya Sabha naga bynta iatai pynrung Ktien Khasi khyrnit kaba phra jong riti synshar jong India ulo angru bonsara kane sien shong Dorbar kaban salong shen.
In this coming session, that I would like to bring this issue through the 0 hours discussion in the Rajya Sabha. Because at least now for 1 year, I have been MP there, and because of the situation of COVID and all this, it seems to me, I don't know to others, it seems to me it's not possible. Because what I feel is that when I bring anything in the house, at least we should get the recognition. Not like in a situation where you have to sit somewhere and then the house, like the Rajya Sabha is here and I'm sitting the Lok Sabha. So what I first thought is, at least this, I'll try to get it in the 0 hour discussion in the Rajya Sabha. Well, I would like to request the government, first within this, the house discussion, the house, I'd like to request the government that at least all the states, they have got their own thing. Why not our state? Now we are almost 50 years by next year. So that is what I've tried to do. But even then, like what I've said earlier, we have discussed earlier with the Khasi society. I think we have to go for another strategy also, like lobbying, so that we can really put not pressure, but at least impress upon the central government to do something for our state.